Imagine a world where your freelance business runs like a well-oiled machine. Clients are lining up, projects are completed faster than ever, and you have more time to focus on what truly matters: your creativity and growth. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that this dream is entirely within your reach, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence? AI is no longer just a buzzword reserved for tech giants and Silicon Valley startups. It's a game changer for freelancers across the globe, offering tools and solutions that can transform the way you work, market yourself, and manage your business. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or consultant, AI can be your secret weapon to stand out in a crowded marketplace. But here's the catch: AI isn't a magic wand. To truly harness its potential, you need to know how to use it effectively. That's exactly what we're diving into today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to make the most of AI for freelancing, from automating mundane tasks to unlocking new opportunities for growth. So, let's get started and explore how you can turn AI into your ultimate freelance ally. First things first, let's talk about what AI actually means for freelancers. At its core, AI refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even learning from experience. For freelancers, this translates into a wide range of tools and applications that can save time, boost productivity, and enhance the quality of your work. But before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand that AI isn't here to replace you. Instead, it's here to augment your skills and free you up to focus on the aspects of your work that truly require your unique human touch. Think of AI as your personal assistant, your creative collaborator, and your business strategist, all rolled into one. One of the most immediate ways AI can benefit freelancers is by automating repetitive tasks. Let's face it, no one became a freelancer to spend hours on administrative work. Whether it's invoicing, scheduling, or responding to client emails, these tasks can eat up a significant chunk of your time. But with AI-powered tools, you can automate many of these processes, allowing you to focus on the work that actually brings in revenue. For example, tools like Zapier or Integromat can connect different apps and automate workflows, while AI-driven platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks can handle invoicing and expense tracking with minimal input from you. By setting up these systems, you can streamline your operations and reclaim hours in your day, but automation is just the tip of the iceberg. AI can also help you improve the quality of your work and deliver better results to your clients. Take content creation, for instance. If you're a writer, tools like Grammarly or ProWritingAid can help you polish your prose, catch errors, and even suggest improvements to your writing style. For designers, AI-powered tools like Canva or Adobe Sensei can assist with everything from creating stunning visuals to optimizing images for different platforms. And if you're a developer, platforms like GitHub's Copilot can help you write code faster and more efficiently by suggesting snippets and solutions as you work. These tools don't just save time, they elevate the quality of your output, making you more competitive in your field. Another area where AI can make a huge difference is in client communication and relationship management. As a freelancer, maintaining strong relationships with your clients is crucial for repeat business and referrals. But staying on top of emails, follow-ups, and project updates can be overwhelming. This is where AI-powered CRM, customer relationship management tools, come in. Platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce use AI to help you track client interactions, automate follow-ups, and even predict client needs based on past behavior. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure that no client falls through the cracks and that you are always delivering exceptional service. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges freelancers face: finding new clients. In a competitive marketplace, standing out can be tough, but AI can give you a significant edge when it comes to marketing and lead generation. Finally, let's talk about the ethical considerations of using AI in freelancing. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it's important to use it responsibly and transparently. Always disclose to your clients when you're using AI tools, especially if it's for tasks like content creation or data analysis. Be mindful of issues like data privacy and bias, and ensure that you're using AI in a way that aligns with your values and professional standards. By using AI ethically, you can build trust with your clients and establish yourself as a freelancer who embraces innovation while maintaining integrity. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative potential of AI for freelancing. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing the quality of your work, AI offers a wealth of opportunities to streamline your business, attract more clients, and achieve your goals. But remember, AI is just a tool. The real magic happens when you combine it with your unique skills, creativity, and dedication. By embracing AI as a partner in your freelance journey, you can unlock new levels of success and create a business that's not only profitable but also fulfilling. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of AI today and take your freelancing career to new heights. The future is here, and it's yours to shape.